welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your propane delivery business. If you run a propane delivery business, then managing all the refill requests and sharing pricings can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for propane delivery business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Hi, need a propane refill or pricing info? I'm here to help. What would you like to do today?" And it has provided us 3 responses. I'm going to select the first one, which says request refill. And it responds me with, "Please reply with cylinder size." So here I'm going to reply with cylinder size like this. And then it is asking me for address. I'm going to send a dummy response such as ABC location. And the chatbot responds with, "We have received your details as 15 kg ABC location. We will confirm your request shortly." Next, I'm going to click on check prices. And our chatbot responds with all the price ranges, such as here's our latest pricing: 14.2 kg cylinder rupees 900, 19 kg cylinder 1350 rupees, home delivery charges 50 rupees. Prices may vary slightly by location. Lastly, I'm going to select order status, and it responds me with track your order here, and it has provided us with a clickable tracking link. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for propane delivery business. And to create this, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Propane Delivery Business. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this regex will activate the chatbot with any given keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when you click on it, you get a list of all the approved template. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message. It will look like this to the user, and here I have added these little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more professional. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as like this. Here I've added all the replies. Now we have to curate a response for each one. Let's begin with request refill. And for that, I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Now here I'm going to add this message, please reply with cylinder size. Here we have an option to select contact custom field. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select cylinder size as add and I'm going to select format as any. Then I'm going to link it to corresponding quick reply option and then I'm going to curate another question. And here I'm going to add this message and here I have asked for address. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select address and as format, I'm going to select any and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response with the help of text button and here I'm going to add this message. It will look like this to the user. Once we are done with our first response, we are going to curate a response for the next option, that is check prices. And for this one, I'm going to access the text button and here I'm going to add this message. It will look like this to the user. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for order status. And here with the help of text button, I'm going to add this message and it will look like this. And this is how we have curated our WhatsApp chatbot for Propane Delivery Business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.